Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send location on Viber. So it's very simple. First of all, you have to open Viber app in your mobile. If you don't have Viber app, then just go to Play Store and download it. But if you are using iOS, then go to App Store and you can install it from there. So here I have Viber app in my mobile and it's already logged in. So click on this. And you can choose anyone in your misses. Just for example, choose this one and you can see the misses in the bottom. Just click on this and just tap on the plus sign. Here are the many options and now you need to go to location here, and here I am located in this sign. So you can just tap on the send here in the top and the message is sent. So this is how you send your location in Viber easily. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.